am no longer riding dirty with these plates that go to nothing. I got some new ones, you can see down there. So now we wait for the title and then we sell this vehicle. But we're gonna list it from now, and if somebody I know buys it, then we could just get rid of it whenever. But I'm excited to get rid of this because I do need the new vehicle, because the new vehicle is the most important part of me moving. So the quicker we sell this, the quicker we're going to Houston. So yeah, I am going to miss this vehicle because it is very nice. It's very fun to drive, very planted, very solid. It's just everything. But you know, it's time to be an adult and get rid of these toy cars. Again, I may keep the Dakar, but you know, money talks. So we are still 6-speed swapping a look, a Corvette, but we are still 6-speed swapping it. We're about to stop by John now because the car's making a strange noise. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right. Yeah, it's funny, I've never seen the car driving. Like, E36s are just such a beautiful, well, they're just such beautiful cars. Like, and this one's super simple looking on the outside, so it's just damn. But yeah, I came literally at the perfect time because he had a lift open, so we're gonna see what the problem is. Yeah, that definitely is on the loud side.